If you're looking for that really nice action camera helmet mount, these are adhesive mounts with action fingers there. So perfect for GoPros or DJI Osmo or even any of the Ace Pro gear. These things are very strong. So you'll peel that off, stick it on your helmet. It's got like a little bit of movement to it, which is nice, so it can contort to like the curve of the helmet. So if it's on your helmet or if it's on the side of your car or somewhere else that you want to pop that thing. And then also this kit does come with this reversible action mount to quarter thread. So if your device is quarter thread, yeah, you could just use that, which is great. It also does come with the bolts that you can pop onto those adhesive mounts. And what I love about HSU is they always include these like little wrenches for them, so you can pop that on there and really tighten it down, like really tighten it down. So I love that, very fine detail. HSU has some of the best accessories for action cameras, and yeah, this is going to be a great one for you. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.